Hi guys, we're going to Montgomery-Gibbs Executive Airport for the helicopter ride. So that's the name of the airport.
Your destination will be on the left.
Right there, I see a lot of airplanes, helicopters. So the flight schedule at 2 o'clock. Are you excited? Are you excited for your helicopter ride? Excited? Make sure you bring your efficacent. in case kamuhian mo, wala yung visit dito. Uy. That's not nice. I know guys, you're gonna have fun, okay? So just take it easy. Is that their office? Yeah, corporate helicopters.
Okay, tell him when he goes over the hotel just to go slow and you guys can jump out. We'll meet you there.
Hey. Can't even see. Helicopters.
See you there. Bye.
We're going inside to the corporate helicopter. So are you guys excited for your helicopter ride? How about you, Pa? Are you excited for your helicopter ride?
It looks like she's at the path. She'll probably be okay.
You're far. It's their first time, so they're excited. Yeah. Ask. I'm doing video.